off-roading, mudding, and we're gonna get wet and dirty.
Yeah, Gabe said not to take the tow rig off-road, but he's not driving it.
No,
me and Brendan are.
No, it's not going on. So, we got a bunch of subscribers here with their own rigs, so we'll introduce them real quick. I don't know what the title of this video is going to be. We'll find out in about an hour what goes wrong.
It's probably, we broke the dune buggy and the Jeep and the tow rig, and Adam's got to come save us again.
Shout out Adam.
We're going to break something, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, hey, I welded my U-joint in, so...
That's your own problem.
This man welded his drive shaft in his Jeep. Which
Hell
we'll show
yeah.
you guys. Let's go and show you guys.
Alright,
real
let's
quick.
go. Let's go out there. Alright, by the way, Zach still is running a, what is this? Like
Jerry can.
A jerry can as a gas tank. So it looks actually pretty full. There's some gas in there.
Yeah. We're gonna get,
So what are you doing right now to it?
taking this old tape off and then putting this more tape on it to get more of a seal on it, you know?
Okay.
So it doesn't leak everywhere while we're driving. So we got one Jeep right here, and this is your Jeep right there.
4-inch lift on 35s, front lock.
So your Jeep is actually the same year as mine.
Correct.
And it's the inline 6?
It is a 4 inline 6.
Awesome. Those are good motors. I love them. How many miles do you have on here?
356,000.
Wait, 356,000?
Yes.
How come yours doesn't look
Holy crap! His does more miles and looks 100 times better than mine.
That's because you own yours.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You want to reshoot that?
No. Well, I like it, man. It looks a hell of a lot better than my Cherokee, for sure. All the body panels are still intact, and the frame is.
It's got springs up front with spacers. It's got the Baster pack in the rear, S10 springs,
I think about 33s on the tires.
33s on the tires with 10-inch rims.
I like the rims too. Are they aluminum? Yeah. Man, those are nice. Well, let's get to the trail and see how this old beauty does, and see how that new beauty does, and then that piece of crap back there and that buggy does too. So.
It's muddy.
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, Gabe, what's the plan?
I already getting my truck dirty. Not even full 24 hours. Alright, so we're out here, 3 Jeeps and a dune buggy. And we're about to go rip it. So, it literally just rained last night. It'll be really soupy out there. Oh, looks like there's a ram too. So.
Hey! I got me a light bar! Hey, Gabe! I got me a light bar, boy!
Hey, I think...
Crash, Gabe! That was awesome. It gets worse from here.
Well, we made it through the first part, luckily. I didn't think I was gonna make that, dude. I didn't think I was gonna make that.
Hey, yeah, you want me to hold your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
It's like we got stuck. Alright, Alright, so right now, Gabe's trying to get out.
Get a little bump. Hey, help him.
Got the buggy out? Yeah, drag.
I almost started. God,
X-Days for the win.
it almost started.
Oh, we got it out.
What's the limiter, bro?
Alright guys, so we finally got the dune buggy started. The battery is definitely dead.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, we got a battery charger, so Gabe, don't stall it.
Shane came in clutch with the battery starter. Alright guys, we're about to just go full send.
Kill it.
Kill it?
Kill it. Now come on, street ropes, bitch.
I've tried. We might be able to push it, maybe. Hi guys. How you been?
Look at him.
Hold on.
No, get right there, man. Hell no, get. I think you can make it.
Alright, hold on.
Gabe, what's going on right now?
Well, we found a little drift track. Mud going everywhere. It's a good time right now. So, and Zach's got one up me. Watch him not make it.
How you feeling? Oh shit, bro.
About to back up. You want to get a little bit wet?
We have to.
I'm warning you right now, this one's gonna suck. Are you good? You recording?
Oh, I'm recording, bro. You ready? You don't need no seatbelt, Gabe.
Alright, Chris, you ready?
All right, ready, man.
Let's do it.
Hit it, Gabe.
We're soaked. We're soaked, dude. It's gonna cover it in mud. It's all hard.
All right, so Zach is stuck.
Zach's a genius.
Hey, don't throw mud at me.
Ew. Ew. 3 out of 4 of us are stuck right now. Zach decided to go through the lake. Push the button in.
Oh my gosh, that is so bad.
You want a stick? Stick your hands in there.
All right, you think it's gonna come out, Gabe?
This is getting really bad.
It's getting bad. We're sinking. Yeah, this is bad. So basically we're on very low ground right now. So he's going all the way through the dirt into the lake that we got here. And even the Jeep is stuck bad. All right, so right now we're gonna walk back to the 7-3. We're gonna go to the store. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna bring back some food for these guys.
We're Lewis and Clark.
Lewis and Clark exploration.
We got Pocahontas up there.
We got.
Oh,
Oh, we're screwed. All right, so good thing I wore boots today.
all right, you guys know how to make a boat? We gotta go that way. We gotta go that way.
Oh, that's deep.
Alright guys, so it got way too dark to film. The GoPro died. It was really cold. And also, if you're wondering why this video is a little bit different, Joe wasn't there to help us, and I was really muddy, and Zach was really muddy. So shout out to Chris, who was riding with me in the dune buggy, for doing most of the filming. We did get everything out. Literally every single vehicle we had out there got stuck at one point.
Yeah, all 4 rigs got stuck. It was the White Wrangler got stuck, and then Gabe got stuck, and then I got stuck trying to turn around and go help him, and then our buddy Shane and another XJ got stuck as well trying to get me out. We were stuck for at least 6 solid hours. Yep. It was a long, long night.
Huge shout out to all 3 subscribers that came out to wheel with us. It was awesome wheeling with y'all. Hope we can do it again, and also do it again with more of you guys that watch the channel and are local, or even if you're not local.
It was a great turnout.
It was super fun.
Yeah, it was, I did not expect that many people to actually show up and then come trail with us. And every single one of them pushing the limits of the rig. Like, they weren't babying it, they were going balls to the wall, hammering it, and it was a blast.
So this video was obviously a different style, so if you liked it, drop a like. Also, drop a comment what you thought of it, and we will see y'all next time with another 7-3 update. Anything else, Zach?
I'll say that was a blast, and thank you everybody for coming out. I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun.
Yep.
But other than that, we gotta fix Big Red again, because it broke again.
Yep. See you guys next time. Peace.
Go.
No, hold on.
Okay. So make my face like that. No.